Hi, Dick Rochfort here, aboard 388
departure, Skyhawk 505,
Hotel
Juliet,
Papa,
Juliet, climbing 700 feet, flying, heading 190.
G500 Txi equipped Meridian. We have it set up for the arrival. It's going to be a visual approach. We've been promised a visual. The weather supports it. We've loaded the RNAV GPS 28, which is where the winds are favored. We've been promised that will be our runway. We're about 20 miles, 21 and change.
Zero Charlie Foxtrot, do you have Savannah in sight at your 11 o'clock and about 10 miles, or correction, 15 miles?
I have two 750s here
Zero Charlie
and
Foxtrot, you're cleared for the visual approach, runway 28, present
two
speed.
500s,
greater, as long as you can give it
G500s
to me at least 180 or greater to final.
with the new software, the TXI version.
Present speed or greater.
And it's a little different, so it's going to require some training, but it is way better.
Number 584, Mike Whiskey, turn right heading 220. Right, 220, Mike Whiskey. Sierra 7 Victor Tango, you can turn 10 degrees back to the left.
We're descending now 3,000 and expecting a turn back to the runway or toward the airport.
130.
There's faster traffic behind us. Go figure.
Cessna 505 Juliet, Center departure, radar contact. Time to VFR.
Those of you who have flown the Meridian know it has a somewhat pokey VMO. It's 188,
505 Juliet.
and that makes it a little slow on these arrivals.
Cessna 40 Echo Romeo, Center departure, traffic alert, traffic 12 o'clock.
The M600, however, has a 250 knot VMO. Big advantage times like this.
Cessna 0 Echo Romeo, Roger, continue your VFR.
It's busy airspace.
Continue your present heading until
This is a training flight, so we're in no hurry, but we want to go
for Mike Whiskey to send and maintain
with the pace of the controller.
Down to 3,000, Mike Whiskey. Hawker 0 Charlie Foxtrot, contact tower 119.1. Thank you for the help today. 19-1, so long, 0 Charlie Fox. Our 8 Hotel Papa, reduce speed to 170.
Wilco.
70, Wilco. Clever 1349,
Sit, just pull the power back
speed for sequencing
until it settles into 170. And then as we,
altitude 1,000 to go.
As we got 1,000 to go. So as you level off, you have to push back up again. You can cancel that gear warning. If we were within 5 miles of the airport, I wouldn't recommend that. But if we bring the power back like that. Don't know. Don't know.
Cessna 5 Juliet, turn left heading 140. Turning left 140, 505 Juliet.
It shouldn't be going off.
Romeo, turn left heading 160.
It should not be going off at 330 pounds. So that's a minor squawk.
Altitude 200 to go.
200 to go. Time to start pushing a little bit to hold that 170 you promised them. Good. Almost there. 15 miles away. Might start looking for the airport. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.